You guys thought I was gonna wait to open these things? Yeah, right. We need to get into these stats. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Ian. The channel's If Sports Cards. And today, we're opening 2 Bowman Mega Boxes. So excited to finally get my hands on some of these. There was a ton of them, which I was very surprised. They must have just stocked it, and I got, enough. Let's just say that. There's unfortunate news, however, in the baseball world. It's looking, chances are slimming by the day that we're actually going to have a season this year. We got COVID cases popping up at team facilities, which is not what you want to hear or see. So, cross your fingers. These things are cool. I didn't realize these things are only 20 bucks. I thought for some reason they were more in line with the $40 mega boxes. These things are only 20 bucks if you can get them at the store, which is cool. But I mean, you're getting, how many cards did this say? 50 cards. So, it's probably in line with the blaster. We got the 2 chrome. These are like Mojo refractors. They're pretty sweet. In the background, we got some of the guys we opened in the blaster and the cello value packs. We got a Poisson, but we did not get our DeWitt or our Dominguez yet. So hopefully today we can get into some of those guys. Pack numero uno. Also, before I forget, again, happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. I hope you have something fun going on this weekend. I'm going golfing here very soon, so I'm probably going to go golfing, and then I'll edit this video and upload it. So I'll let you know how I did golfing. Mike Yastrzemski, let's go. It's not a bad card for me personally. So I didn't notice this when I opened last time, but the prospects have this little design there, whereas the vets, they don't have that. So that's kind of how you tell quickly as to, is this guy in the majors or is he still a prospect? The Twinkies. Hey, Joey Bart. I didn't get one of these last time. All right. Set him aside. Our first Bowman Chrome is a prospect of Ethan Hankins, Jonathan India, and there's only 2 per pack here. Okay. So no first at all in this pack. Huh. Well, hopefully this one's full of firsts. We're looking for color too. I think you can get color in these packs. But we'll see. Ian Anderson, prospect. Cool name. Hunter Green. Travis Swaggerty. That's a name. Chrome of Jordan Groshans. And first of, not the right Yankee. Antonio Cabello. Shoot. I got excited there. Nick Solak rookie. A Dubon rookie. I think he's going to be pretty good. And a Baez rookie. Mauricio Dubon. Picked him up from the Brewers. The Giants picked him up from the Brewers. We traded him was that the Pomerantz trade? I don't remember exactly what the details were of that trade, but I was a big fan of it. I will say that. We have a rookie of Sean Murphy. Gratterall, rookie. Zach Collin, rookie. The rookies like to come in waves. Perez and a Lynch prospect. Oh, there's one more. Mason Denneberg. Play for the Washington. All right, let's get into the Chromes. We got a Blake Rutherford. A Daniel Lynch. So no first in that one. Demerit and John Means. God, I keep putting these in the wrong pile. All right, one more pack before we get to the Mojo refractors. We have Morjon, Seth Brown, Tristan Lutz, prospect, Xavier Edwards. There's a first. Is this our first in this box? That's incredible. They're all in the mega box packs. Campusano, prospect. We have this Cavaco Twinkies dude, Bowman Chrome, Luis Garcia, Bowman Chrome, Vogelbach, Harper, and Dozier. Okay. So nothing too crazy there in the regular packs, but I think the big draw to this product is going to be these mega box cards. So let's hope that they save the wow factor for these packs, at least in this box. I won't spoil the back card. I don't know if it's anything. These are cool. Got ourselves another Twinkie. Outfield first base. Kirilloff. Look at the shine on those. These are so sick. Come on, give me some firsts. Spencer Howard. Ooh, we got that purple. We'll save that one. Oscar Gonzalez first. Wow. Let's freaking go, baby. Woo! Oh, god dang. I'm shaking a little bit. So we had a Nate Pearson. It's just a purple. I don't see any numbering on here. Oh, yeah, there we go. 78 out of 250. But that's not the one that that we're writing home about. Gosh, that was unexpected. To be completely honest with you, I don't know what this goes for. I know his cards have kind of came down in value from when the initial, like when this product initially came out. Let me try to get this. Can't really see what I'm doing with the phone right in my face. We got them in there safe and sound. We'll look at let's see how centered this guy is. I'm no expert. Looks good to me. I'll take it for sure. Heck yes. Our first Dominguez, and it's the beautiful... Oh, we got one more, guys. We got one more. What are we doing? Oh, I spoiled the back one. Another Yankee. Estevan Florial. Tristan Casas. Ooh. Oh, that's one of those rookie ones, isn't it? Nice. Gavin Lux. That's a good one. Rookie of the Year favorites. Yeah, about that. Jordan Adams and Nick Madrigal. I didn't look. I wanted to see what the odds were of getting an autograph in this box quick. Autograph. 1 in 16 mega box autograph. So, I mean, not too overly difficult to get those autographs, but in that box, we did not get one, but that Dominguez is very nice. Very, very nice. All right, box number 2. We'll try to go through this one a little bit faster for you guys. I don't want you to spend your whole freaking weekend here, but pull a card like that, it deserves a little bit of recognition, right? Get out of there. All right, empty box. All right, let's hope these 4-packs are just awful again, and we just pull an amazing mega box card or exclusive chrome. Hey, get out of there. There's our boy right there, Bo Bichette. God, I want to see him play so bad. Kyle Lewis, Matthew Boyd. We got a Perez prospect, a Daniel Lynch prospect, Joey Bart prospect again. Our chromes are going to be Rutherford. I think we saw him already. And a Lynch, we saw him already. I think even in the chrome. We got Toro and we got Savale. Okay. Barrios. Hoskins. Ooh, we got a... Oh, that's not a chrome though. Lutz. Xavier Edwards first. Yeah, we already got him. Those are only first, well, besides the Dominguez. Camposano. Our first chrome is going to be this Cavaco guy. And a new guy. We got Sam Huff, catcher for the Rangers. Dustin May, Grisham, and Escobar. Going to close that one out. Judge. We got the out of $4.99. I think that was like a sky blue, light blue, something. We got that last time. Betts, who may never be a Dodger. Springer. Ruben Cardenas. First. Yeah, another Rutherford. And Taylor Trammell. Let's see what we got here. We got Mackenzie Gore. Elihuris Montero. Joey Votto and a Starlin Castro. Is even on? I mean, oh yeah, Lux and Bichette. I couldn't remember who was with Bo on the cover of this. Nice. Way to open that pack. There we go. Junior Fernandez rookie. Gonsolin. Tristan Casas. Joe Adell. I've heard of him before. Dylan Carlson and our chromes. We got Denneberg. And yeah, buddy. Poisson. Get him sleeved up quick. Let's see if Poisson is camo shy too. Looks like a little extra there on the corner. I think this one will get 10.5 on the corners. Nice card there. We definitely take that. So at this point, we're at a better spot in this mega box. Oh, Posey. Now we're definitely in a better spot. So let's see if these can match the last one. We still need that Bobby Witt Jr. Dodgers. Ooh. Ruiz. Mauricio. Luis Robert. Spanning the globe, I think is what that says. We got Brady McConnell. Grant Levine. All right. Let's see. I don't know where the heck I put the rest of these refractor ones, but oh well. All right, last one. We go 2 for 2 on Dominguez. CJ Abrams. Liberatore. We have AJ Puck, Rookie of the Year favorites. Aremus Adman. And we got a Brian Hayes. So, not bad. These things are awesome. I don't know. This is probably one of my favorite retail products to open up for 20 bucks. I mean, it helps when you hit cards like this, I suppose. I would assume in this break I got at least $40 worth of cards between these two, but I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but awesome break. I'm definitely happy with those results. Definitely going to be opening more of that. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, I greatly appreciate it. Now get out of here and go spend some time with your fathers or your kids or just your family. You don't have to sit here and watch my videos all day, but I do appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, and we will be back very soon with another video. Monday Mail Day. Got some cool stuff, very cool stuff. I'll give you a little teaser. All right? You guys take it easy. Have a good weekend. Be smart, be safe, be humble. Ian out.